Rogers' 5 stages of innovation, the decision-making process. Innovation is the transformation of an idea or resources into useful applications, resulting in the creation of new products, new services, or new processes. This slide provides an overview of the decision process. Prior conditions exist as the communication channels are navigated: knowledge, persuasion, decision, implementation, and confirmation. All the while, the characteristics of the decision-making unit and the perceived characteristics of the innovation are discussed throughout the 5 channels, ultimately leading to either the adoption or rejection of the innovation. The decision process is a process through which an individual or decision-making unit passes from knowledge of an innovation to forming an attitude toward the innovation, to a decision to either adopt or reject, to implementation of the new idea, and to confirmation of this decision. The 5 main steps in this process: knowledge. Individuals learn about the innovation's existence and gain some understanding of how it functions. Persuasion. Individuals form a favorable or unfavorable attitude toward the innovation. Decision. Individuals engage in activities that lead to an adoption or rejection of the innovation. Adoption is making use of an innovation as the best course of action available. Rejection is to refrain from adopting the innovation or to adopt it later. Implementation occurs when an individual utilizes an innovation. Reinvention also occurs at this stage, as the innovation adoption can be revisited. Confirmation occurs when individuals seek reinforcement regarding the decision previously made or reverse a decision previously made to adopt or reject. The innovation, if exposed to conflicting messages about that innovation, whether the final choice is adoption or rejection, it will be a long-term process. Consequences after confirmation are continuous adoption, over-adoption, or discontinuance of the adoption. Disenchantment is also a phase that occurs in the confirmation process. The innovation decision period is a length of time required to pass the innovation decision process. It may be days, months, or even years. This period allows a person or persons to gain a grasp of the concept, to let it ferment in their mind so that they can move forward with the new idea or innovation. Perceived attributes of innovations. Relative advantage, the degree to which an innovation is perceived as better than the idea it supersedes or replaces. Compatibility, degree to which innovation is perceived as being consistent with the existing values, past experience of these potential adopters. Trialability, degree to which an innovation may be experimented on a limited basis. If an innovation is trialable, it results in faster adoption. Complexity, degree to which an innovation is perceived as difficult to understand and use. And observability, degree to which the results of an innovation are visible to others. The easier it is for individuals to see the results of an innovation, the more likely they are to adopt it.